All right, this is the repairability test for Rebecca Watts, claim number 0783150147.
The bottom one's already falling apart. It's already falling apart. Get closer here. Just delaminating already. Just from a little friction, it's already creasing. I'm just pulling the nails. High nail too. ITEL said this was a positive match. Note the Owens Corning signature chalk line nailed up, or printed on right there. Shingle does not have it. And mind you, this was an exact match. Doing the repair with the Oak Ridge Estate Gray as required for ITEL match. Certainty stamp on the back, and this is an Owens Corning plant batch lot number and the Owens Corning logo right there. Flush on the right, hanging over on the left. Get close right here. Hanging over by a ½ inch. Field shingles cannot be trimmed. That is pretty much standard building code. And any shingle manufacturer specifications require no trimming of field shingles for their product that have a warranty. For the roof to be warranted, excuse me. Shingle separating above. Yeah. It's delaminating. Extremely brittle. Get in here. Show this real quick. This is a fail. Even for Allstate, that's a fail for a test. No pun intended. You can cut that one, we'll do another one.